$26 billion is what Charles Schwab is acquiring TD Ameritrade for. Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. And if zero commissions was not enough, after Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade both began to offer free trading, one of the big news that we are going through today is that Charles Schwab plans to buy and acquire TD Ameritrade for $26 billion. One of the first things that I want to cover is why is it that Charles Schwab is acquiring TD Ameritrade? So one of the biggest areas of opportunity when it comes down to the two discounted brokerages. The number one discounted brokerage is viewed as Charles Schwab. The number two is viewed as TD Ameritrade. So by being able to combine the two, it's not really to, again, oppose competition, but one of the biggest areas of opportunity, according to what I've read, is their asset management. Their direct competitor would be viewed as BlackRock, which is valued at $6.84 trillion. Charles Schwab, if I'm not mistaken, is valued at like 3.84. TD Ameritrade valued at 1.35, and this is again in asset management. So because BlackRock is again so ahead of the curve of being valued at nearly $7 trillion, by Charles Schwab acquiring TD Ameritrade, this would put them a little bit more as a direct competitor and granting them a total of over $5 billion in asset management. And what does this mean for all of us that day trade? Is this gonna have an effect on TD Ameritrade, or if you use Charles Schwab? In my understanding, I tried calling TD Ameritrade and asking if there would be any effect at all. According to my understanding, well, first of all, they didn't want to comment as it's viewed as total speculation as of right now. So we should most likely hear a little bit more of the final say from both Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade within later today. But one of the most exciting parts about this is not so much that they are going to plan to continue to innovate within just their brokerage, right? Their brokerage is only a fraction of what it is that they do. And you can see that, no question, that their biggest focus is going to be their asset management. But by being able to combine the two biggest players for these discounted brokerages, I think it's only going to empower and give Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade more brain power, more capital, and more resources to provide the best experience. At least that's what it would be viewed for, right? For their overall customers and traders that use their platform. So if you saw TD Ameritrade, their stock actually pushed up, if I'm not mistaken, over 25% during the pre-market session, and Charles Schwab pushed up 5%. So this is absolutely huge when it comes down to the overall company itself. But again, these brokerages are only a fraction of what these companies have to offer, as they are worth billions and billions of dollars. And let me know in the comment section, this actually caught me by surprise, but it's because of the asset management that Charles Schwab is actually viewed as a bigger and the number one discounted broker. I actually thought it was TD Ameritrade, and it really caught me by surprise when I saw the number of $26 billion is what they're going to be buying TD Ameritrade for. So altogether, really exciting. Congrats to all those that get to benefit from this huge acquisition. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Feel free to drop in the comments section what you guys would like to see by seeing these two companies merge. And also, don't forget to join our free investing team. That's going to be that first link down below. We run the largest Facebook group in the world for those that day trade in the stock market with over 231,000 members. And again, it's absolutely for free. If you guys want to download your free day trading e-tip ebook, that's going to be that second link down below. And don't forget, again, to tune into the live trading session for Learn, Plan, Profit. If you've ever wanted to day trade in the stock market and you want to watch me day trade live every single day, click that third link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn, Plan, Profit group, and to see if it's a good team for you. Really do appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.